It's fun because you get to skate and then there's just like people better than you, so you get to learn stuff.
Because it's like fun and like there's nowhere to skate anywhere. When you're with your friends, you can just like do whatever you want and just do cool skateboard tricks and stuff.
We're to the point where we have to take more than one rec center van. We've got to take 2 vehicles, so every 2 weeks we take about 14 to 18 kids out skateboarding. Having a skate park here in Clear Creek County eliminates a lot of barriers, not only in terms of transportation to and from skate parks, but it just allows more kids to get into a skate park.
Being welcome and encouraged to do something that you love to do is an important reason why a skate park should be in Idaho Springs and be in Clear Creek County. Traveling such a long distance to get to the nearest skate park really limits that and creates a barrier to people doing something that they enjoy doing. There has been a community effort to bring a skate park to Idaho Springs for at least 20 years. One of the coolest things about this project is it started with a skate park and now it has evolved to include tennis courts, basketball courts, playground, to maximize the stage space, to have green fields and concession stands and restrooms and have a community space.
Skate park here in Clear Creek County, or a park in general, would really allow kids an outlet that we know where they're at, we know what's going on there, and we can monitor it. And it's accessible for people to just skateboard there. And so as somebody who grew up here in Clear Creek County, we never had that access. And it was really limited when it was there. And so it's a great place for families to know where their kids are at and know that they're doing something that's good for them and learning a new sport. I think the best part of working with kids and taking them skating is that, one, it keeps me young, and two, I feel like they're teaching not only each other, but teaching myself a lot more, not just about skating, but about enjoying life and cutting loose. It's really an outlet for a lot of these youth to step away from the pressures of school or the pressures of home life and just have a place that's fun and safe.
I think there would be a lot more people. This is really fun.